Hi, I'm Audra. I have been using the Manjish Glow Elixir for a couple months now, and it has transformed my face immensely. I'm going to be 44 in a couple months, and I still suffer from acne. And the acne medicine that I currently use is so hard on my face. And I've noticed since I've been using this every night, just for a couple minutes, I massage it in, especially go around where my crow's feet lines are. And I've noticed it's improved the texture, definitely the tone of my skin. I feel like it's getting rid of some of my acne scars and actually decreasing the amount of cystic acne that I've been getting. I love it. You can tell from the bottle, I use it every night, and every once in a while I'll use it in the morning if I need more hydration in my skin. It's super easy, it smells good, it absorbs. At first I was really nervous about using an oil product on my face, especially when I have acne, but it absorbs wonderfully, and I don't know, it's one of the best products I've used in a very, very long time. I can't wait to get another bottle, and I will continue using it as long as it's being carried. I really believe in Ayurvedic medicine, and it works. So go get yourself a bottle. You will not be disappointed.